Hey guys, welcome back. Going to be doing a new series of videos. As you can see, I have this engine here. It is a 66cc bike engine. You can buy these off eBay. They're called 80cc, but they're actually 66cc bike engines. They come from China, and there's a lot of cheap things on them. First off, the hardware is extraordinarily cheap. So I'm replacing everything with stainless steel, high quality hardware. They're hex head bolts instead of the standard Phillips head, which strip out really easy. Have the covers here, clutch cover, magneto cover. This is a sprocket cover. Have the two sides of the crankcase here. There's the inside. The bearings that are in here, there's 4 bearings, but the bearings are really low quality and they not smooth at all whatsoever. Here's the crank. You can see one of the bearings is on there. You can see right here, this side is a cover that goes on, and this side also has a cover, but you can see it's been broken the whole way around there, like that. So I'm going to be replacing that. Here's the clutch with all the clutch pads in there, the whole way around, and the plate for that. The piston, I'll probably replace it along with the new ring set because these pistons are like $5. Which all engines were that cheap. The intake port, the output shaft, this little gear here is cracked right at the keyway right there, the whole way down through. So like the crack runs right down between the teeth. Cylinder studs, the magneto, and stator. The one thing that I am missing, you might notice, is the cylinder and the cylinder head. The cylinder I'm going to have to replace because the bottom is cracked a little bit. This engine has been used, so I'm going to be replacing that. It's like $20, so getting a new one of that. And the head, I'm going to be polishing the inside and cleaning up all the casting burrs, because pretty much when they put these engines together, it's just make them run and that's it. They don't do any work. Here are the higher quality bearings. As you can see, these are sealed bearings, so we have to pop the seals out because otherwise they'll just deteriorate. Here's the shielded bearing for the output, and there's a few random parts there. So I'll be doing a whole build series on this engine. We're going to be painting it and cleaning it up using as many aftermarket parts as possible so we can squeeze every little bit of power out of it as we possibly can and make it run as reliable as possible. So stay tuned for the next videos. And if you have any ideas or suggestions or mods that I can do to this engine to make it run better, then let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my Powder Extreme build I did. They're all up on YouTube. Some have a little bit poor quality. Sorry for the bad camera. But they're all up there, and you can check those out.